Hello guys, welcome to today's episode, and today we are in Ruiru, Mugutha, just 2.5 kilometers from Thika Rd, and we are here to view this 4-bedroom flat-roofed maisonnettes sitting on 40 by 80. It sits in a gated community of low density 4 houses with the driveway already cabro paved. So the houses are ready for occupation or to move in. And then the separator between a house and another house is a live fence. So it's not an entirely concrete jungle. You get a parking space of 2 cars. And then when you have visitors, you can park on the driveway because mostly you are just 4 of you. So not many people are moving in and out of the estate. So this is the facade of the house. And then to confirm the elegance of the house, you have a wooden door with a smart lock. You have this entry porch that you can put there hanging flowers, and then this is the wooden door, proving the elegance of the house. And then the smart lock. So the houses are selling at a cash offer of 16 million Kenya shillings, though we have mortgage and bank financing if you have one, or if you're looking to be financed by bank through a way of mortgage, is also accepted. So as you enter the house, on the right hand side you get this elegant kitchen plus the dining area. So the kitchen comes with a 4-burner cooker, smoke hood with this double sink. It also comes with the microwave and oven. So the kitchen, you're just coming in with the cutlery, but other essentials are provided for you. Microwave is also provided, as I said earlier. So the kitchen is white with a touch of gold, just for elegant. And then you have this dining area with big windows, providing what we call natural lighting in the house. So mostly during the day, no bulbs on, no chandelier on, just natural light. You have this beautiful chandelier over the kitchen and the dining area. You also have snake lights and downlighters complementing the chandelier. And then on the other hand, which is on the left hand side, you get your living lounge, and it comes with a double volume ceiling with very big windows, which means you have natural lighting during the day, saving your electricity. You are also provided with a TV wall panel, a wooden one, nicely fitted on the wall. Then this wall clock also comes with the house. That being said, let's check out something new in this house. And you get this door leading you to the backyard and also to your laundry area and where you get your hanging lines. First, you get this fence, which will provide a live fence once the climbers have matured. This is your laundry area provided for you. Well, and then over here you have guest cloakroom. That's a toilet and a vanity setup to wash and freshen up for any guests or visitors coming over in the house. And then you have this elegant staircase with a touch of wooden carvings. And then you have a rail, staircase rail, also wooden. So you get this first bedroom on the ground floor, ensuite with the spacious wardrobes, this nice minimalistic lighting, and then it's spacious enough. It can fit a 6x6 bed with bedside stools, natural lighting. That's a big window. Then this is the suite. And then to the second bedroom, still on the ground floor, you also have very big windows and a lot of them providing still natural lighting. One of the signature modes of the developer is big windows for natural lighting. So they value natural lighting a lot. If you're a person of nature, then this is a perfect buy for you. This is the suite. That being said, we are done with the ground floor. Let's take our legs to the top floor because it's only one level above, so we are going to the next level. So this is the staircase. You have these wooden carvings. Wooden railing. You have this beautiful chandelier on the staircase. At this level we have two bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom, also ensuite. Whoever gets this will definitely be your favorite child, because who doesn't love a top floor with natural lighting, big windows, spacious enough bed wardrobes. And there's something I forgot to tell you. You have this provision, a model that you can use as a shoe rack to put your shoes and then hang coats, depending with the way you are going to make it. And then you have this as the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is very massive. It can fit a king size bed, 2 chairs for you and your loved one. Also comes with the signature massive windows. And then it has something that I'm going to show you. This is the whole of this space. Actually, other developers provide half of this for a master bedroom. And then it has a mini walk-in closet on the left hand and the right hand as you enter the washroom. The wardrobes are spacious. So you get this toilet seat. You also get this vanity setup, a mirror. You get this shower heads. Is all this for only 16 million Kenya shillings? Well, let's get on the rooftop. So the rooftop terrace comes with this pergola that you can hang also flowers and you can host parties at the rooftop. Comes with this pergola. It also has a toilet so that wherever you are up here chilling, you can always have a place to go and refresh it. Then you have this provision. You can also plant flowers over there. So for only 16 million shillings, you can have this house. In case you are interested, kindly call, text or WhatsApp me on 0708 253 559, and we are going to book a site viewing and then plan on payment. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.